Hello, my name is Jordan Severino, and this is my Severino number trace code. So, just to start it off, we set the variable current color and set that equal to null, so it's just like nothing's struggling, nothing comes up, and then variable current scene, and that's just basically what we're going to use to determine like whatever screen we're going to be using. So whenever we click a button, it's then going to draw whatever scene we assign that number to. So like current scene 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So we just copied the code from our Bitmoji from other previous assignments and the code that the professor allowed us to copy from the button configuration. So this.x, config.x, 0, etc. Excuse me. And then the button prototype.draw. So this basically just organizes the button to how we want it on the screen. Then we get into drawing our actual button. So we have to do variable, give it whatever name we choose, and then new button, and then put in the like the parameters, like the specifics of where we want it, the X, the Y, and the whatever we want the label to say. So select button, the color buttons, and the clear button. Then we have the splash screen. I set that equal to current scene equals 1, put whatever color I choose, and then the text that you're seeing right here. So write your numbers, blah, blah, blah. Then we basically do that for each scene that we're looking to draw. Then we get into the mouse click function. So the mouse click function is basically what allows me to, whenever I click a button, it draws the next screen of whichever button I'm looking to get done. So if I click the start button, there's only one option, draw scene 2. And then from here, it gives me the option to draw scene 3 by clicking 2 or draw scene 4 by clicking 9. I'm going to click 9 for this one. And then we have our draw function and if statement. So if current scene equals 1, splash, etc. We basically assign the mouse, like if the mouse is pressed between a certain space and the current scene equals a certain number, then it will send us to a certain place. But at the same thing, we signed a bunch of else if. So if we're on current scene 3 and I click in between this space right here, it's going to give me the color blue. I can trace the number, go all the way around, etc., etc. And then if I want to clear it, I just go right here and it clears off. So that basically explains all of my Severino number trace code. Thank you for listening.